Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So probably last to last monsoon season I happened to lose my mother plant of Haworthia German champagne, and luckily I was able to save few of the pups, and this is what you tend to see. They are doing quite well. Now it's a very long journey for them to turn into a mother plant, but so far all of them are doing quite well. They are still very young, so the colors are going to take quite some time to show up on them. Usually they tend to get a little bit reddish on the crown area, and overall they're kind of they have this very bluish grayish tone to them. Again, it depends. I think there are more hybrids in the German champagne. A few of them do turn pink in color, but again, depending upon the environment and climate. In my environment, I think they stay more on the blue grayish tone. I haven't seen a lot of stress colors on them. Even this winters, if you remember, as I said, this year the winters were very short, probably 2 to 3 weeks, not more than that, and it's already starting to get a little bit warm in my city. So I don't expect any colors to show up on them, but the good part is that the summers are here and Haworthias are going to get into their growing period. So that is something that I'm looking forward and very excited to. Colors I'm not much worried about. I'm more worried about their growth and their health. I want them to grow healthy rather than have any colors on them. So far they are looking quite good. I did a watering probably 2 weeks ago. Maybe day after tomorrow I'll do a watering because the soil looks a little bit dry. But again, they do have a good amount of water in the leaves, so I can still wait for a couple of more days before I go ahead and do a watering. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at this pot. Looks amazing. I really love champagne varieties. They are amazing hybrids. I have couple more like the orange and the pink ones, but the German champagne is completely different from the other champagnes. Looks very different. So I was looking forward to save the mother plant, which unfortunately I couldn't because of the monsoon season. Probably there was some cut on the mother plant and it came in contact with water. At times it becomes very difficult to pay attention to each and every succulent, especially when you have a very large collection. But luckily I was able to save few of them, so I'm quite happy and looking forward that these will turn into a mother plant someday, which again might take another 3 or 4 years. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.